party's opponent in the elections?
Okay, so yes, Ebenezer, this is how far the good Lord has brought us. You have said it all. The confidence has always been there. It is not just mere confidence out of nothing. It was born out of the good work we had done. After engaging the people, we read their reaction towards the message we gave them, and we saw that it had really imbibed. They gave us a hope, some hope of a sort, which hope has resulted to what we see today. I mean, we've always been very confident. I told you, I don't know whether, I told you guys that we've been in this game for a while. If you are in it and you are losing, you will know, except maybe if you don't want to be honest yourself. I told you what we were working out at that moment I spoke to was with regards to the gap. But as for the win, what are we witnessing? We won.
Okay, so do you think that
We had a lot in the lead up to this election. The NPP spoke at some point in time. The vice president made certain claims. He said he shouldn't have been in the race, amongst many other things. When you were hearing all of this, what was going through your mind at that time?
For me, I've always said that, you see, when you are going to such contests, there are a lot of things you will hear. But I don't focus on tangentials. The focus is on the main ball. My focus is to have my message delivered, the people accept it, and then they take it out to make sure victory is delivered. Indeed, you see, some of these comments, if you are not careful, you'll be swayed by them, and then you go outside the main target and then be dealing with, well, let me put it this way, unnecessary stuff. Because you see, I shouldn't have been in the race as in what? I mean, that I was disqualified or it was an illegality on my part or what. And so we've gone past that stage. Elections were held. We have the results. Sorry?
What do you plan to do?
Development. Development. We've always said that, you see, Akwatia's name has always been with regards to mining. You can't take away the mining. Okay, we only have to do it lawfully. That's what we're going to work on. Where we are now is a GCD property. Hitherto, just Mahama came to power, the place was in darkness. If you recall, we did the same coalition here and we had to put on some solar panels and all the lamps and all that. Today, and it wasn't because of the by-elections, it was even done before. Today we have electricity. It is the first step towards getting GCD back on track, which can employ thousands of people. There are other things we are looking at. Essentially, development. Yes, it came from the president. Of course, it's a central government policy. And we need to remind them, make sure that they do the. We would have an opportunity to do some of these things. We are grateful to the people of Akwatia. It is a clear mandate, and we will not take it for granted. We representation and serve them well. We are grateful for. There was nothing like that.
Bernard Bediako, MP elect for the Akwatia constituency in the Eastern region.